So Thinker Labs is primarily a research and development company. We're located in Bloomington, Indiana.
Okay.
And we started out about 5 years ago focusing on small business innovative research projects. That was one of the topics here I think they worked on in the problem statement. Um, so those projects are from all different government agencies. We primarily focused on DoD, Department of Defense, although we did win one with NASA,
Okay.
and so that was about 4 years ago, probably. So we also do some work for the Navy at Crane, Indiana, and at DC,
hmm
um, primarily in radar and a little bit in electronic warfare. So, um, yes,
Awesome. Very
yeah,
cool. Very cool.
okay,
And I know you mentioned the capstone project that you guys have been
right.
working on. Could you tell me a little bit more about the experience that you had witnessing that and working with the
So
Purdue
it's a very
students?
positive. It was a really good team. They were extremely smart, very talented. Um, we live in the SBIR.gov website,
Okay.
and so we asked them a way to maybe help us make it simpler or able to pull data from it. Um, I remember, I believe Noah worked specifically on trying to. It was almost like he did a SBIR.gov for dummies kind of thing. So
Okay.
I mean, I don't want to say he dumbed it down, but he captured the essentials that's important for anyone doing this type of work,
Yeah.
and allowed us to highlight and focus on the areas that we were primarily interested in.
hmm
So that was a big part of the project. Another part of the project was the website philosophy. So our website, we pretty much lived on GoDaddy, and it's very simple. It's like 3 pages, and so we had them look at Amazon Web Services and some other hosting sites,
Yeah.
and basically do a cost benefit analysis to see does it make sense as we grow as a company,
hmm
uh, to move our website to a more powerful platform, and what would be the advantages, disadvantages. So
Gotcha.
that was very helpful. They basically did a white paper on that and laid out, what the pros and cons for that would be. So it was
Very
very
cool.
positive.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
yeah,
yeah. After the implementation of the project and the things that the students came up with, what kind of results did you see after that?
well, definitely the SBIR stuff. I wrote on three this fall, and I know just the process of being able to pull data from that government website, um, the work on the project team did, that helped facilitate that. So very beneficial. We have not yet migrated our website. We are still looking at doing that, but
Mhm.
the value of what they provided will definitely pay dividends when we make that jump.
Yeah.
So yeah, very, like I said, very positive and very
Awesome, awesome.
beneficial.
I'm glad to
So
hear. I'm glad to hear.
yeah, thank you.
Would you recommend that other organizations consider working with Purdue engineering
Yeah,
students?
this was our second one. We've actually done two of these
Okay,
with Purdue, and both were beneficial. Both
awesome.
really helped us. I know Warrant Technologies next door. They did a Purdue a project with the Capstone Group as well, and
Cool.
I'm not sure what that entailed, but again, I know it was very beneficial to them. So
Yeah,
for us, we felt like we were also trying to provide some value to the students, exposing them to some areas that they never heard of before.
right.
None of them had ever heard of SBIR, didn't know anything about DoD and that whole process.
Yeah.
So I think it probably was a good learning experience for them as well.
Absolutely,
So
for
yeah,
both ends of the project.
right, yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so
So
much for your time. It
thank
was
you
really
very
nice
much.
to meet you.
Thank you. All right.
Stay tuned. Check out some of our other videos on our YouTube channel to learn more about the IE capstone projects and more of the Buy Indiana Expo.